What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the most out of the different drive modes that these new F150s offer you guys. My truck right here has the console shifter down here in the center console. Some of you guys might have a column shifter up here, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the most specifically out of the manual drive settings that you guys have on this truck. There are ways that you can do things like engine braking, even though that this is an automatic transmission vehicle, that I'm going to cover and show you guys how to do in today's video. Let's get started. All right, so we got a cool little GoPro here that's going to be giving us a better view of what's going on our little heads-up display right over here. But if you've got your shifter down here in the center console, your different drive mode selections will be a button right down here on the bottom. And as you press this button, it will cycle through the different drive modes. We've got normal, we've got tow haul, snow wet, eco mode, and my favorite, sport mode. So pressing this button is how you'll get through those different drive modes. If you have a column shifter, it will more than likely have a button on the outside right here that you can press, and you'll press, and that is how you will cycle through the different drive modes. Okay, so now we've got the car in drive. Now you will see that we've got all of our gears and everything showing up on the heads-up display right now. Now, if you come down here and you start pressing the minus button, you will see that the gears slowly start to go away. Now, what this actually does is it prohibits the engine from shifting past that point. So right now on the screen, you see that the highest gear listed is 7. So that means that if it were to punch it and accelerate as much as I could, this truck would not shift past 7th gear. Now, if I'm already at let's say I'm on the interstate and I'm already going 80 miles an hour, 75 miles an hour, what have you, and I'm in 10th gear, if I were to start pressing the minus button like you guys just saw on the screen, it would actually downshift the truck to 9th gear, or if I downshifted twice, it would take it down to 8th gear, and it would actually engine brake down from 10th gear to 9th gear to 8th gear, however far down you wanted to take it. So as you can see, I am doing 56 right now, and I am in 9th gear. I'm going to start pressing the minus button, and I will be manually downshifting. So I'll go down to 9. I'm already in 9th, so that's fine. I'll go down to 8. The engine braking kicks up. Go down to 7. The RPMs kick up. Go down to 6, the RPMs kick up. So this is how you can downshift an engine brake, and if you want to keep the RPMs low, you can bring the options all the way back up to 10th gear, and that is how you will be able to go in the opposite direction if you're not trying to, downshift an engine brake. Now, another big application that this would have would be if somebody was towing. Say you were towing on a steep incline or just towing in general, and you didn't want your truck to ever get past a certain gear, a certain RPM range. You could use this feature in this truck and ensure that you never got up to 9th gear if you never wanted to get past 5th gear, or so on and so forth. Did a little, I think I squealed tires a little bit just in normal drive mode back there. This truck is so much fun. 10 of 10 would recommend this truck. This truck is just a blast and a half. So much fun. So much fun to drive. For a truck, it's quick, it's fast, solid handling, really responsive. It's like a fun driving experience for sure.